class to present to you how to prepare sandwich with peanut butter filling. In preparing sandwich with peanut butter filling, we will need 2 slices of bread, 1 spoon, and lastly, we will be needing peanut butter for filling. The first thing to do is you get a small amount of peanut butter using your spoon.
Miko, open.
Napam siya na ipuil ko eh.
You spread peanut butter on the sandwiches.
Miko, mama. Eat mo na. Kaon mo na before slide. Sige pa, put pa peanut butter.
Be sure that the whole sandwich will be spreaded by peanut butter filling.
Sige, put pa. Miko, put pa more peanut butter. Put pa more peanut butter ko eh. Sige, daghan peanut butter. Okay. Eat na.
After spreading the peanut butter filling, you put the bread together.
Bring it up. Bite the peanut.
Okay, there you are, the very nutritious and delicious sandwich.
Clap, kuya.
Sandwich is full of carbohydrates to give us energy for our everyday work.
Ano, huwag mong katingog si Miko.
Okay, eat your sandwich.
Ay. Eat na ko eh.
Okay, you go. Tapos na.
Opo, finish na.
Eat na.
Big Mac.
Uy, go, finish na lang na.
Go na.
Go na.